I'm Crystal from the Albuquerque Public Libraries, and today we're going to make a Mother's Day card. It's a super simple, fun Mother's Day card that you can make at home, and it's going to look like this. And when you open it up, it has a heart in the middle. So we're going to have fun making this today. All you'll need is a piece of paper, some scissors, a pencil, and something you want to decorate with, okay? So first, we're going to take your piece of paper and you want to line up the short edges, okay? We're going to fold over to line up the short edges just like that, okay? And so we're going to make it nice and even. Make sure they line up together. Crease it down the middle there so that you have a little card like that. Next step, we're going to trace our hands on it, okay? And so what you want to do is spread out your hand and make a little hook with your thumb. That way you can make that heart shape. It's going to look like that, okay? So you're going to flip it around. So we're going to make the hook with our thumb, and we want to make sure we put our finger and our thumb right at that crease there, okay? Because that's where the crease is going to happen. So we're going to hook our finger, put it down like that, right on the paper, and we're going to trace around it, okay? Alright, and now I'm going to make it darker so you guys can see it on the camera. Alright, so your card's going to look like that. And so when you go to cut it out, you need to make sure you're not cutting where your thumb is on that crease and where your pointer finger is, okay? Because that's where it's going to connect. So make sure you don't cut here. What we're going to do is we're going to cut on the inside, and then we're going to cut all the way around, okay? You got your scissors. We're going to cut on the inside, okay? So now you have your heart. It's going to look like that, okay? And so now we don't want to cut there. We want to cut around that part, okay? So you want to start here, cut around, and you're going to end right here. So we're not cutting that crease out. Okay. Alright, so there's your hand, and when you open it up, you have your card. And that's it, and then you can decorate it however you want. I made mine say Happy Mother's Day, and then on the inside I wrote I Heart Mom. Okay? Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.